Let's add some sound to our projects. Sound and speech are interesting features, and could make for dynamic prototypes. Let's navigate to this section in the start file and add some sound to our projects. Firstly, we're going to add some speech, and speech would be a good addition in relation to accessibility in your prototypes. In this instance, I'm going to have I've included a little audio assist button here, and clicking on that is going to read out some text from the page. So let's go over to prototype, and I am going to add an interaction, and it's going to be on a tap. So when we tap this button, I'm going to get the application to read out some content. So the action is going to be speech playback. So I've selected that, and we've got a couple of voice options. We can have Nicole or Russell read out our content, and we've got a little field there that requires some text to go into it. So I'm just going to go back to it, copy in the speech that I want to be triggered. So let's test that.
Stay up to date. By logging in, you can stay up to date with all your past. Stay up to date. By logging in, you can stay up to.
I reckon I'm going to try Russell over Nicole. Let's see how Russell.
Stay up to date.
Stay up to
By
date.
logging in, you can stay up to date with all your past and upcoming tracks.
Awesome. Great. That's our speech playback action. We can also add just straight up images, sounds as assets to our prototypes. Let's do that. Quite easy. We're going to add another interaction so that when you click on these buttons, they'll trigger a sound. So we've got our trigger to be a tap, and this time we're going to select audio playback, and we'll choose a file. And I've got a couple of files that are already saved in there, but I'll add another one. And I'll import that, and we'll test our file. Cool, it's very subtle. I hope you heard that. Let's add another sound. Choose another file. Maybe we'll add... No, I'll add another one. Maybe a ding. Port that into the project and give that a test. Awesome. So that's adding sound to our prototypes.